You're probably sitting there thinking, yo, Julian, why the heck ain't you wearing a shirt? That's because today we're making healthy food that doesn't suck. Over the last couple of years, I've lost over 40 pounds and put on a bunch of muscle. Not like YouTube muscle, normal people muscle. And one of the things I found with talking to a whole lot of people is that often with dieting, the food can be boring. So let's make something that's, well, not. Cut your peaches into wedges. If you have really juicy boys, good luck not just stuffing them all into your mouth in one go and actually having some to work with. Warm up a pan, hit it with a little bit of cooking spray, then throw your peaches down, get some good color on it, flip it, allow the other side to develop color as well, cool them down completely, then cut them into a medium dice. Grab the fanciest of tomatoes, carefully remove the core, then cut it into a medium dice, put it into a small container, and clean your board. Top and tail a red onion and dispose of the skin just like Carol Baskin did to her husband. Then take the remaining red onion, cut it into thin strips, and tell yourself the real reason why you're crying is because of the onion, and not unresolved life reasons. Quickly run your knife through some cilantro, rough chopping it, put it into a container and clean your board. Then, using a mini butane-powered flamethrower, try not to let the power go to your head. Char the jalapenos until the skin is completely black. Alternatively, you can char them on a gas range, or if neither of these are options, stick them under a broiler until the skin starts to turn. After the skin is nice and super charred, put them into a bowl, cover with plastic, and allow it to steam under its own heat to help the skin separate from the pepper. Wipe away all the burnt black bits, removing the skin entirely. Cut away the seeds and the membrane that attach it to the main pepper, then dice. After handling spicy peppers, please make sure that you thoroughly wash your hands and do not touch your face or in any sensitive areas, because if you do, you are not going to have a good time. Season your salmon fillet with salt and pepper, then lightly hit the skin with a little bit of cooking spray. Normally, I would just throw some oil in the pan, but the calories from cooking oil adds up quickly, and this has 0 calories. Well, not 0, they round down. But this will seriously help you reduce that. Place the salmon down away from you in a hot ass pan with just a little bit of cooking spray. Press down to make sure that the skin is completely within contact with the pan. Then after a couple minutes, put into a 450-degree oven. When the fish is about 75% of the way cooked, flip it, put it back in the oven and allow it to finish. When it's done, this flesh should be slightly flaky but still have a little bit of give to it. And the skin should be crisp. While your fish is in the oven, split an avocado into halves like so. Then take one half and guide your knife through the avocado, making sure as to not pierce through the skin and therefore horribly cutting yourself. Turn the avocado perpendicular and make square cuts. After that, take a spoon and scoop all of that goodness out and into the bowl with your arugula. Add an appropriate amount of the fruits and veggies that we prepped out before. Squeeze in the juice of half a lime and optionally add in a small squeeze of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Now toss your salad. Adjust your seasonings as necessary. Now it's time to plate. To plate your salad, grab a handful of mostly arugula and put that down as a base. Then add your remaining salad on top. By doing it in 2 steps like this will really help to give you more height and to bring all the good stuff up to the top so that way it can be seen and not hidden underneath a whole bunch of leafy greens. Now top with your fish, give your plate a wipe, and now we're done. We have a salad that is, yes, simple, but the flavors are nuanced, bright, and fresh, and is something that will really stand out as compared to a boring salad that you might think of in terms of like healthy food. Give this a shot. Let me know how it turns out. If there's any other foods you want to see in upcoming videos, let me know down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out on future videos. Such as next time when I make a tuna dish that is both healthy, but something that will absolutely stand out on a date night.